Hello, this is Chapkwet from Amnesty and welcome to the annual conference for the Network of African Data Protection Authorities.
Under our constitution promulgated in 2010, Article 31 states that all citizens, all persons have the right to privacy. The government is obligated to protect and to promote that privacy, and therefore every government program must be designed from a privacy by design perspective. "86% of American citizens now believe that they have no control over their data."
Awareness is a multi-stakeholder approach. It's a huge building block to our establishing data protection regimes in Africa, because it's very difficult to actually advance some of these things, and the majority of the people who are the data subjects have no clue of what's going on. And you see, if a data subject is not able to know what their data protection rights are, then ultimately even the data controllers would care less about implementing or complying with the Data Protection Act.
My name is Irunga Houghton, Executive Director, Amnesty International Kenya. Amnesty International Kenya has been engaged in digital rights, digital citizenship, and also data protection for about 4 years now. We are committed to the idea that our rights are present not just in the physical spaces, but also in the digital spaces. Our call to the data protection commissioners who are here today, and we have at least 20 data protection authorities from all over Africa, has been that they adopt the 7 principles of data protection and digital rights.
My brother from Amnesty International, I know they're always very keen on issues of corruption. Now that, we are hoping that in the next 1 year, their reportage is going to really lessen.
This is the 7 principles I spoke about in the digital identity. And we have written this based on our experience in Kenya.
Okay.